Hello my crafty friends, it's Tranae and we are about to do a little quick craft that I'm breaking down. So I am in the process of creating this gorgeous embellishment box that I'm swapping with someone, and I didn't want the video to be super duper long, so I figured I would break down some of the things I'm creating for that box into shorter videos. So for this one, I am going to quickly show you how I am going to use, this is like the branding paper that came with the Simple Stories Crafty Girl kit, and I am using these little squares that just pretty much preview what the papers look like in the kit. Since I am using this kit throughout, I figured I would make use of these papers. Alright, so I have this, what do you call this? This envelope die that I'm going to make little envelopes out of. And this came with the Love Letters coordinating dies. And now I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine. And there we go. And now all I have to do is fold my envelopes, and the die does give like these little score mark impressions, so it's really easy to know where to fold. And I just do that for all of the little envelopes that I have cut out, and then I am going to decide the paper that I want to be in the little envelopes. So keeping with using up this branding strip, I decided to use these little thin papers that you see right on the side. Since they was there, they were almost like the perfect size. I figured it was just meant to be. So I measured them to size, and then I cut them down and I placed them inside of my envelopes using some what is the name of this tape? It's like a it's something that's in Japanese. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I will be sure to link it below. And I also came in and I cut some of those little cut apart sayings. They were the perfect size for these envelopes. Like the one I'm doing now says happiness equals crafting or craftiness or something like that. And I added it to it. And for the next one, I cut out the little piece that says I'm a crafty girl, and I stuck that in the envelope so it looks like that is over that rainbow paper that I love. I love that rainbow paper. And then for the last one, at first I was going to use like this little sewing machine, but I didn't really like the way it looked, so I ended up using this floating head that I cut out, and I put that on some 3D glue dots. And y'all, the 3D glue dots, they are amazing. Like, I'll do like a product up close and personal for that, but man, they are the perfect supply when a foam dot would be too thick, but you know, you don't want it to be flat. I love the 3D glue dots. Like, can't say I love them enough. Alright, so those are my 3 little envelopes, and for the last one, or the one that had like the little floating head, I decided to get a one of those like little word cutouts and a rosette that I made with some crepe paper, and I take my glue gun and I just glue it on there, glue it to make like a cute little rosette. And that is the project for today. If you like this video, go ahead and share it, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post videos. So that is it for me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.